A lot of people had been asking where it can find Photoshop Beta and how to access Generative Fill. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you where to find it and how to install it. First thing you need to do is purchase Photoshop and install it. You can get it by opening your Creative Cloud desktop app, going to Beta Apps right here and installing Photoshop Beta. Right here you'll see the install button, just get it. For some reason, if your Generator Fill is deactivated or if you're not seeing the Generator Fill features in your beta, these are the things you need to try go through it. If the button is grayed out or you cannot see it, here's Troubleshooting. Click on Window menu bar and see if there is not selected Contextual Taskbar, then select it. Now you can use the Generative Fill Magic tool. These are the few Generative Fill shorts. If you really want to try Generative Film, you can go to Adobe Firefly Web right here. I'll leave a link in the description and just click on Generator Fill and you can try it online. Thank you all of my subscribers who supports us. Keep supporting us and keep watching videos. Thank you.